Good day to all of you. My name is John Eric P. Ribu, and today we are gonna discuss something that's on the sky. It's not a bird, but it's definitely
Look, bro, it's an airplane. Where?
an airplane. Introducing to all of you Louis Blériot, the man who greatly influenced aviation and aircrafts as you know today. But first, let's get to know him. Louis Blériot was born in Cambrai, France on July 1, 1872 and studied engineering at École Centrale in Paris, where he developed an interest on aviation and aircraft designing. Louis Blériot went through failed experiments and numerous aircraft crashes, but later on developed one of his most practical airplanes, the Blériot monoplane. While Louis Blériot invented the first practical headlamp for cars, he's mostly famous for being the first person to fly across the English Channel, from France to England, using the Blériot monoplane he built in 1909. Louis Blériot won €1,000 offered by the Daily Mail, a British newspaper publisher, and it popularized the development of aviation in his country. Louis Blériot also had a factory during the World War I in 1914, in which he produced more than 800 aircrafts in different countries, where most air forces only operated with these aircrafts. Louis Blériot significantly impacted society by becoming the first person to fly an aircraft across the English Channel in 1909, where he made the whole world see the potential of the future of aviation. He was given Légion d'honneur, or Legion of Honor, the highest civilian award given by the French Republic for outstanding service to France. Louis Blériot was certainly among the greatest people of aviation, where he taught himself how to fly and how he kept improving his aircraft designs the more he failed. And with the quote, "It is as though we have grown wings, which thanks to Providence, we have learned to control." So to sum it all up, Louis Blériot was an aircraft designer and an aviator who achieved at being the first person to fly across the English Channel. His contributions certainly helped inspiring people and shaping modern aviation as it is today.